Hi. Today we are going to discuss about our most effective advanced sonic plus ultrasonic bird repellent combo model. You will have question in your mind, why combo model? The device creates non-comfort environment for birds with both sonic and ultrasonic technology. The sonic model generates voice of bigger birds like owl and eagle that is a threatening sound for smaller birds like pigeons, crow, sparrow, etc. The ultrasound unit creates non-comfort zones so that birds will not make home in that area. The advantages of the system are 1. Randomly variable frequency, 2. Eco-friendly, 3. No harm to beautiful birds for easy operation, 5. Simply plug-in device. These are the devices by OPM. For more information visit www.conceptmart.com.